Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a juicer that I bought. So I noticed I don't eat too much of vegetables or fruit, and I thought really hard the best way to incorporate fruit and vegetable into my meal, and I would like to start juicing. At least include juice in my breakfast, or maybe during the week, the weekend, do some vegetable detox, celery and the other vegetables that has been well recommended. So guys, guess what type of juice I bought? So I bought this JOCUU masticating juicer. So it's arrived today and I'm about to unbox this. We are going to unbox this juicer, and I really love the way they sealed it at both end, and yeah, so this is how well it's packaged inside, and I love the fact that they secured the product. There are some product that when you, although not a machine, you can see here. First, it came with a manual. Let's see the manual first before we bring out the content of the box. Okay, to get the extra 1-year warranty, it's written so JOCUU gift, and so you can get a 1-year extra guarantee. It came with a manual, as I told you. It's a masticating juicer. So there are different recipes in this book. So this is really going to help my journey to a healthy life. At least having enough fruit. See, do it yourself. Masticating juicer. A slow masticating juicer keeps all nutrition from fruit and vegetables by its slow speed juicing technique. So when you drink juice, you are absorbing vitamins, enzymes, minerals, and trace minerals in the same time. So you see why I'm really looking forward to adding juice to my routine. And I really love the fact it came with different recipes. So from celery juice to ginger to wheatgrass to so many of them. So I'm really happy I don't have to be thinking in my head, oh, what's the best combination of fruits, of vegetables to use. This came in very handy. And then the manual for the juicer. So it came with a manual, so you can use this guide to set it up. We have the top, the cable. So the cable was kept on top. I think it cannot be detached. Here is the stuff to push the vegetable inside. Then actually this weighs almost maybe 500 grams on its own. This was used to protect the package, and you can see our juicer inside the box. It came with the jar, the sieve with the part of the machine, a brush for cleaning, the screw That's the schooling part that will do the grinding of the fruits slowly. And here we have our juicer. It's brand new. I'm really so excited, very, very excited to start getting all those juice into my body. Yeah, so it came with a UK plug, which is really awesome. And why did I go for this product? Actually, it was very simple. I was checking on Amazon for something not too expensive, and you know they have these Black Friday deals going on, so I wanted something I can actually afford, and that also comes with a longer warranty. So when I check on their on the product description they gave on Amazon, they said that the motor came with a 10-year warranty and the body parts with a 3 years warranty. Because mostly when I buy any blender or things like that, usually it's the motor that usually get faulty first. So I wanted something that I'm sure that if tomorrow I'm juicing and it explodes on my face, I can just write back the company. And on their website, it seems to be a good company. People gave them good reviews, and I was pleased with all the reviews that I read. Maybe only one person was not happy with the purchase, and that's because it came late. Anyway, I'm happy with my purchase because this arrived 24 hours after order. That's the benefit of having an Amazon Prime account. Okay, let's use the manual to fix up this guy. Part is labeled, and I'm going to couple all this together. They've labeled this with numbers. I hope it's numbered on the back as well. Anyway, that's not really important. It says to number 1, fix this. Yeah. So we're going to be fixing this. Click. So it came like a lock. So here you can see by the side it has this symbol that shows you where to position it and where to lock it here. So unlock, lock. That's the clicking sound. Okay, we are doing well so far. And number 2 is to add the screw. Okay, seems so easy. Very easy. Number 3, put the sieve. See, sieve came as a cone, so it's easy to know that this should by default go in like that. So is this the triangle? Seems so. So it also, it came with a kind of a lock like the first one. And now we need to lock. There is a symbol on top that shows you when they are aligned. There's an arrow and then the lock sign. And then the next thing is to put the mug. So which of the two is going to be the mug now? Let me make it like this. Okay. There is the small one. So the small one should be the juice collector. I really love this. It even came with a calibration, so you can easily know how much milliliter of juice you're making. JOCUU is all done. That's number 5. Number 6, it says put the pop cup. Okay, so this will collect the waste from the vegetables. This. Let me shift this backward a little so that I don't really have a high table to Awesome. This is so cool. I'm loving it already. Let me show this way so you can see the brand name. See that? JOCUU. And the last part is to plug it to the electric socket. No. It's number 8. Number 7. I need to put something on top. The collector here. This. Just like that. This looks so fancy. And this is for grinding. Push in the vegetable. Push it in. And remember the brush for cleaning when we are done. Interestingly, it came with a sieve. So I don't know if it's because the fruit is not completely grinded. Anyway, it fits perfectly to the cylinder that was provided. So many paper plastic bags. It's normal with new appliances. So I think we need to test this guy. We need to juice, but we need to clean before use. So I'm so excited because it's night. I'm going to prepare maybe watermelon that I can easily digest than having something too heavy. Yeah, and the safety guide is here, so you can't use something lower. So excited, guys. This machine, when I'm going to make my first juice, when I begin to use it, I'm going to share with you on how well I enjoyed it. If it's noisy, one of the reasons I went for this brand is because they said it's not very loud. People that bought it on Amazon review that it's a bit quiet, and I love that because in the morning I don't want to wake up my neighbors and